সবাইকে ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক আমার চ্যানেলে। আজ অর্থাৎ 10 অক্টোবর তোমাদের যে ইউপিএসসি প্রিলিমস এক্সাম অনুষ্ঠিত হয়ে গেল, তো সেই এক্সামের পেপার 1-এর যে 100 জিকে পার্টের কোয়েশ্চেন পড়েছিল, তো সেই পার্টের ফার্স্ট 50% অর্থাৎ 50টি জিকে পার্টের কোয়েশ্চেনের সলভ এই ভিডিওতে আমি তোমাদের আলোচনা করব। তো প্রত্যেককে বলো ভিডিওটি প্রথম থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখার জন্য, এবং দেখে ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই ভিডিওটি বন্ধুদের মধ্যে শেয়ার করে দেবেন, লাইক করবেন এবং অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখবেন। তো কোয়েশ্চেন 1 আসছি, ওয়াটার ক্যান ডিজলভ মোর সাবস্ট্যান্সেস দ্যান এনি আদার লিকুইড বিকজ হবে ইট ইজ ডাইপোলার ইন নেচার। অপশান এ হবে রাইট অ্যান্সার। নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 2 আসছি, উইথ রেফারেন্স টু স্ট্রিট লাইটিং হাউ ডু সোডিয়াম ল্যাম্প ডিফার ফ্রম এলইডি ল্যাম্প থেকে। তো সোডিয়াম ল্যাম্প প্রডিউস লাইট ইন 360 ডিগ্রি, but it is not so in the case of LED lamp. The spectrum of visible light from sodium lamp is almost monochromatic, while LED lamp offer significant color advantage in street lighting. So option এখানে C হবে right answer, 1 and 3 only. Option C is the right answer. Next question number 3. The term ACE2 is talked about in the context of, তো হবে spread of viral disease. Option D is the right answer. Next question 4. Bisphenol, a BPA, a cause of concern, is a structural or key component in the manufacture of which of the following kinds of plastics? তো হবে polycarbonate. Option B is the right answer. Next question number 5. Triclosan considered harmful when exposed to high level for a long time is most likely present in which of the following এর মধ্যে বর্তমান। তো হবে toiletries. Option D is the right answer. Next question 6. Which one of the following is a reason why astronomical distance are measured in light year? তো হবে light always travels in straight line. Option C is the right answer. Next question number 7 আসছি, we adopted parliamentary democracy based on the British model, but how does our model differ from that model? তবে as regard legislation, the British Parliament is supreme or sovereign, but in India the power of the Parliament to legislate is limited. In India, matters related to the constitutionality of the amendment of an act of the Parliament are referred to the Constitution bench by the Supreme Court দ্বারা। তো এখানে হবে both option 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Option C is the right answer. Next আসছি question number 8. With reference to the union government, consider the following statement. তবে in Gopalaswamy Iyengar committee suggest করেছিল that a minister and a secretary be designed solely for pursuing the subject of administrative reform and promoting it. In 1970, the Department of Personnel was constituted on the recommendation of the Administrative Reform Commission 1966, and this was placed under the Prime Minister's charge. So এখানে হবে both option A and 2 is the right answer. Next question 9. Right to privacy is protected under which article of the Constitution of India? তো হবে article number 21. Option C is the right answer. Next question আসছি, consider the following statement. তো in India there is no law restricting the candidate from contesting in one Lok Sabha election from 3 constituencies. That is wrong. In 1991 Lok Sabha elections, Sri Devilal contested from 3 Lok Sabha constituencies, but at now present a candidate must have elected two places. Next, as per the existing rulers, if a candidate contested in one Lok Sabha election from many constituencies, his or her party should bear the contest of by election to the constituencies vacated by him or her in the event of him or her winning in all the constituencies. তো এখানে option 2 and 3 is the right answer হবে. Next question number 11. The vegetation of savanna consists of grassland with scattered small trees, but extensive areas have no trees. The forest development in such areas is generally kept in check by one or more or a combination of some condition. Which of the following are such condition? তো কন্ডিশনগুলি হলো ফায়ার, grazing, herbivorous and seasonal rainfall. Option C is the right answer. Next question 12. With reference to the water on the planet Earth, consider the following statement. তবে the amount of water in polar ice caps and glaciers is more than the amount of groundwater. Option B is the right answer. Next question is the black cotton soil of India has been formed due to the weathering of তো হবে fissure volcanic rock. Option B is the right answer. Next question 30. Consider the following statement. তো হবে moringa অর্থাৎ drumstick tree is a leguminous evergreen trees. Tamarind tree is endemic to South Africa. Seed of moringa and tamarind can be used in the production of biofuel. তো এখানে option 1, 2 and 5 is the right answer. That is the correct. Next question 50. With reference to recent development regarding recombinant vector vaccines, consider the following statements. তবে genetic engineering is applied in the development of this vaccine. Bacteria and viruses are used as vector. অর্থাৎ both 1 and 2 is the right answer. Next question number 60. In the context of hereditary diseases, consider the following statement. তো both the right হবে অর্থাৎ passing on mitochondrial disease from parent to child can be prevented by mitochondrial replacement therapy either before or after in vitro fertilization of egg. A child inherits mitochondrial disease entirely from mother and not from father. তো এখানে option C both 1 and 2 is the right answer. Next আসছি question number 70. Bolgard 1 and Bolgard 2 technologies are mentioned in the context of তবে developing genetically modified crop plant. Option B is the right answer. Next আসছি question 80. In a pressure cooker, the temperature at which the food is cooked depends mainly upon which of the following? তো হবে area of the hole in the lid, temperature of the flame. অর্থাৎ option A is the right answer. Next question number 90. Consider the following. Which of the above can be cultured in artificial or synthetic medium? তবে ব্যাকটেরিয়া, ফাঙ্গি অ্যান্ড ভাইরাস. অপশন ডি ইজ দ্য রাইট অ্যান্সার. নেক্সট আসছি 20. কনসিডার ফলোইং স্টেটমেন্ট. তো কমন কোল্ড ইজ সামটাইম কজ বাই অ্যান adenovirus whereas AIDS is caused by a retrovirus. Option 2 is the right answer. Next আসছি consider the following statement. তো right to the city is an agri-human right and uninhabited monitor the commitment made by each country in this regard. That is right. Next, right to the city means that the state cannot deny any public service or facility to the unauthorized colonies in the city. তো এখানে হবে option 1 and 3 হয়ে যাবে correct answer. Next question, with reference to India, consider the following statement. তো এখানে হবে only 2. অর্থাৎ during judicial custody the police officer in charge of the case is not allowed to interrogate the suspect without the approval of the court, option 2. Next আসছি, with reference to India, consider the following statement. তো হবে state government have their own prisoner release on parole rules, option 2. Next আসছি 24. At the national level, which ministry is the nodal agency to ensure effective implementation of the scheduled tribes and other traditional forest dweller অর্থাৎ recognition of Forest Right Act 2006? তবে মিনিস্ট্রি অফ ট্রাইবাল অ্যাফেয়ার্স, অপশন ডি ইজ দ্য রাইট অ্যান্সার. নেক্সট আসছে 25. Legislation which confer on the executive or administrative authority an unguided and uncontrolled discretionary power in the matter of application of law violates which one of the following article of the Constitution of India? তবে আর্টিকেল নাম্বার 14, অপশন এ. Next question 26. Which one of the following in Indian polity is an essential feature that indicates that it is federal in character? So the Union Legislature has elected representatives from constituent unit, option B. Next 27 আসছি, which of the following best defines the term state? তো হবে a community of person permanently occupying a definite territory independent of external control and possessing an organized government, option A হয়ে যাবে রাইট অ্যান্সার. নেক্সট 28 আসছি, with reference to Indian judiciary, consider the following statements. তবে a high court in India has the power to review its own judgment as the Supreme Court does, option B. Next আসছি question 29. With reference to India, consider the following statement. There is only one citizenship and one domicile, option A হবে right answer, one only. Next question 30. Which one of the following factors constitute the best safeguard of liberty in a liberal democracy? তো হবে separation of powers, option D is the right answer. Next question 31. How is permaculture farming different from conventional chemical farming? তো হবে permaculture farming discourage monoculture practices, but in conventional chemical farming monoculture practice are predominant. Next হচ্ছে conventional chemical farming is easily possible in semi-arid region, but permaculture farming is not so easily possible in such region. So option 1 and 3 is the right answer. Next 32. With reference to palm oil, consider the following statement. তো হবে the palm oil is a raw material for some industries producing lipstick and perfumes. The palm oil can be used to produce biodiesel, option B is right answer, 2 and 3 is the only right answer. Next 33. With reference to the Indus River system, of the following 4 rivers, 3 of them pour into one of them which joins the Indus direct, and of the following which one is such river that joins the Indus direct? তো হবে সুতলেজ, অপশন ডি. নেক্সট আসছি 34. With reference to India, Didwana, Kuchaman, Sargol and Khatu are the names of? তো হবে Saline Lake, option D. Next question 35. Consider the following river which of the above rises from the Eastern Ghat? Nagavali and Vamsadhara, option B is the right answer, 2 and 4 is the right answer. Next is 36. Consider the following statement. India has received license for seabed mineral exploration in international waters. Rare earth minerals are present on sea floor in international water. So option B is the right answer. Next 37. Among the following which one is the least water efficient crop? তবে red gram, option D is the right answer. Next question, consider the following statement. So, in the tropical zone, the western section of the ocean are warmer than the eastern section owing to the influence of trade winds. In the temperate zone, western lights make the eastern section of ocean warmer than the western section. তো এখানে both are correct, option 1 and 2. Next question 39. In the context of India's preparation for climate smart agriculture, consider the following statement. The climate smart village approach in India is a part of a project led by the Climate Change, Agriculture and Food Security and International Research Program. The International Crop Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropic in India is one of the CGIARS research center. So এখানে option 1 and 3 is the right answer. Next question 40. Leaf litter decomposes faster than in any other biome, and as a result the soil surface is often almost bare. Apart from trees, the vegetation is largely composed of plant forms that reach up into the canopy vigorously by climbing the trees or growing as epiphyte rooted on the upper branches of trees. This is the most likely description of tropical rainforest. Option D is the right answer. Next 41. Under the Indian Constitution. Next question 44. Constitutional government means তো হবে a government limited by the terms of the constitution. Option D is the right answer. Next 45. With reference to India, the terms halvi ho and kul pertain to তো হবে tribal languages. Option D is the right answer. Next question 46. Consider the following statement in respect of Bharat Ratna and Padma Award. তবে Padma Award which were instituted in the year 1954 were suspended only once. The number of Bharat Ratna awards is restricted to a maximum of 5 in a particular year. So এখানে হলো option 2 and 3 is the right answer. Next question আসছে, consider the following statement in respect of the Lawrence World Sports Award which was instituted in the year 2000 year. তবে the award was received mostly by Formula 1 players so far. Roger Federer received this award maximum number of times compared to others. So option 2 and 3 is the right answer. Next question 49. Consider the following statement in respect of the 32nd Summer Olympic. The official motto for this Olympic are New World. That is incorrect. Sports climbing, surfing, skateboarding, karate and baseball are included in this Olympic. That is wrong. So neither 1 nor 2 is the right answer. Next question number 50. Consider following statements in respect of the ICC World Test Championship. তো হবে finalists were decided by the number of matches they won. That is incorrect. New Zealand was ranked ahead of England because it won more matches than England. That is wrong. So neither 1 nor 2. সো গাইস, এই ছিল তোমাদের আজকে অর্থাৎ 10ই অক্টোবর ইউপিএসসি প্রিলিমসের 50 জিকে পোর্শনের সলিউশন। তো ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগে, উপকৃত হলে অবশ্যই বন্ধুদের মধ্যে শেয়ার করবেন, লাইক করবেন এবং অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখবেন। পরবর্তী বাকি 50টি কোয়েশ্চেনের সলভ নেক্সট ভিডিওতে তোমাদের আমি আনবো। তো প্রত্যেককে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।